First of 5 new developments in the search for a missing mother from Warren. Police have now filed murder charges in connection with Ashley Elkins' disappearance. Welcome to CBS News Detroit at 5. I'm Meredith Bruckner.
And I'm Lauren Winfrey. We've been covering Ashley Elkins' disappearance for weeks, and now her ex-boyfriend, DeAndre Booker, is charged with her murder, even though her body has not been found. Jack Springate is live outside the 39th District Court in Roseville. So, Jack, what evidence led prosecutors to upgrade those charges?
Well, Lauren, it was new evidence that we haven't seen before that actually came from the ex-boyfriend's home when they were doing a search there back on January 7th. An officer testified in court today to seeing a bloody scene inside the bathroom. We learned today that blood belonged to Ashley Elkins. Prosecutors say this new evidence, along with the lack of any sign of Elkins' whereabouts and her inactivity when it comes to her bank records since she went missing, was enough to bring a first-degree premeditated murder charge against her ex-boyfriend. It's also bringing some hope to Elkins' family.
It's been, a little over 4 weeks now waiting for murder charges to come. And so, though this does not bring complete closure, but we know that this is the journey to justice. So this is where it starts, and that's what the family wants.
Prosecutors filed 3 other charges for evidence tampering, mutilating a dead body, and concealing the death of an individual. Those are all in addition to the lying to police charge he was booked on back on January 9th. All the work investigators put into getting enough evidence to file these charges still comes with an emotional toll.
The officers were invested in this from the beginning, and doing that search became more invested throughout, and when it was over, felt very defeated.
Evidence from their week-long search at the Pine Tree Acres landfill is still being processed, but as of now, there's still no sign of Elkins' body. Macomb County Prosecutor Peter Lucido delivered some optimism, saying he's been part of several cases where they still got a conviction without one.
This county has seen, since I've been practicing, almost 40 years, 4 cases that I'm very familiar with that have had no body and have had total conviction. Because there's no other way sometimes to explain it when you don't have a body except all of the evidence that's been accumulated.
The murder charge alone was enough for a judge to deny Booker's bond in this case. The next hearing date is set for February 5th. That's where there will be a preliminary probable cause conference, that is, and then 1 week later, Booker will actually physically be in the courtroom on February 12th for a preliminary examination. Make sure you stay with us on air and online to hear any updates that we have along the way. But for now, reporting live in Roseville, I'm Jack Springate, CBS News Detroit.